What if I told you that your first $100 could be the beginning of your journey to financial freedom? Most people keep waiting until they have thousands of dollars to invest. And that's exactly why they never start. In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you the smartest way to invest just $100, even if you're a complete beginner. Before investing, ask yourself one question. If my car breaks down or I lose my job tomorrow, do I have emergency savings? If the answer is no, save a small emergency fund first. Why? Because if an emergency happens, you won't be forced to sell your investments at the wrong time. Even a few $100s in savings can make a huge difference. Now comes the important part. If you're a beginner, don't try to pick random stocks hoping they'll explode. Instead, many long-term investors choose broad index funds, or ETFs, which spread your money across many companies instead of relying on just one. That way, you're not betting everything on a single business. It's a simpler approach that many beginners find easier to stick with over time. Here's the secret. Most wealthy investors already know. Investing isn't about making one perfect decision. It's about repeating a good habit. Imagine investing $100 every month. Some months the market goes up. Some months it goes down. But if you keep investing consistently, you're buying through both good and bad times instead of trying to guess the perfect moment. That's how long-term wealth is often built. Remember these 3 simple rules. Start small. Stay consistent. Think long-term. Your first $100 probably won't change your life overnight. But building the habit of investing regularly could make a big difference over many years. If this video helped you understand how to start investing, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy finance videos, and let me know in the comments. If you had $100 today, what would you invest it in? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.